Hello student, I am discussing here complex salt, what is the definition of it, and how many three different type of complexes are there: cationic complex, anionic complex, and neutral complex. Cationic complex means when it will dissolve in water, it will give cation complex as well as a counter ion, simple counter ion. Like that, anionic complex is having this coordination sphere having two negative charge, that is anionic complex. So complex ion is negatively charged, here complex ion is positively charged, so we call it cation complex. And when we are we see that coordination sphere carrying negative charge, two negative charge in this case, because I took example of CuCN4 2 negative, it can be anything. It can be, I can write down y negative. Okay, so here y is equal to 2 negative. So this is anionic complex, counter ion is cation at that moment. And some neutral complex also known, which on heating gives nickel metal and carbon monoxide is cleaved. Here carbon monoxide escape out, cobalt, hexa carbonyl cobalt. Okay, 0 oxidation state of cobalt is 0 here, nickel oxidation state is 0. So in this way we see that in complex salt we can get three different type of salts. And what are complex salts? Complex compound or coordination compound, they are the molecules, the molecular addition in which constituent lose their identity. For example, see here KCN and FeCN2, when they are intermixed with each other, they combine together and they will form K4 FeCN6, and after ionization in water they will give counter ion 4 times of K. This is K. Okay, this is K positive potassium ion. So after ionization it will give you complex ion and counter ion, and we see here this is hexacyanoferrate, but it will lose this. The species which are within the coordination sphere, they will lose their identity. Iron test will be failed, CN test will be failed. Okay, so in this way we can see that the constituent, ligands as well as central metal, they will lose their identity over here. Okay, they will not give their test. Okay, and counter ion can give their test, but the complex ion which are present, ions which are present in the coordination sphere, they will lose their identity. For example, FeNH36Cl3. So FeNH3 whole, see 3 positive will be there and thrice of Cl negative. So iron will not give test, ammonia will not give test, but Cl will give test positive. Okay, so complex means it is partially dissociated. Complex ion and counter ion. Completely dissociation will not take place as it is done in double salts. The complex